Video of your 2021 Grey Wolf 25 RRTBL. You got a power jack out front. You can push the button and raise and lower it, and then the light up on the top is the light switch for underneath. 2 20-pound tanks. We fill those. You got a deep cycle marine battery right up front. This tells me a little bit about the camper. Looks like it was built on the 22nd. There's your VIN number. There's your model number, tire size, air pressure, all that stuff's there. Water heater runs off gas or electric. If you want it to run off electric, there's a switch here. If you want it to run off propane, there's a switch inside. So electric switch for the water heater is outside, propane switch is inside. There's your drain plug if you want to drain it in the winter. That's part of winterizing. You got stabilizer jacks on the corner, so once you drop it back into your site, you crank those down and that'll give you some stability. Outside shower, there's an outside light that's switched from inside. If you have cable TV, you hook right up there. Tank fill is on the left, so if you don't have water, you can fill your tank up ahead of time and take that water with you. Turn the pump on, that'll pull the water out of the tank. Otherwise, if you do have water hookup, city water is your best bet. Hook a hose up, turn it on, runs off the pressure from the hose. Sewer, what you want to do is take the cap off, connect your sewer hose. The big gate valve's for the solid waste, and that's also called the black tank. So once your connection is complete, you pull that handle and that'll dump the black water. After it's dumped, you leave that valve pulled open. You'll hook a hose up to here, turn it on, it'll flush that black tank out. After the 2 or 3 minutes of flushing, you can shut the hose off, close the valve. We're done flushing. The gray is the bathroom sink and shower water, and that'll kind of rinse everything out. So you do that last, and that'll keep your sewer hose cleaned out. 30 amp power supply cord, so you have a power cord that comes with it, also a 15 amp adapter. Nice aluminum rims. There's a vent, so you can open it up, circulate air. LED light, spotlight on the back. It's wired for the backup camera. LED lights all the way around. You can bring the TV from inside, drop it in outside, watch TV outside. You can plug it into your antenna, cable, or DVD player. This pulls forward. Okay, so if you push this button, it'll tell you how full the battery is. This one will tell you how full the fresh tank is. Oh, I'm sorry, we have no power, so let's go over here and turn the battery disconnect back on. There we go. Okay, so this will tell us how full the battery is. Freshwater tank is empty, black is empty, and gray is empty. So as the tanks fill up, more lights will populate there. Okay, water pump is here. That's for your freshwater tank. So if you're using the tank, you turn the pump on. If you're hooked up to city, you don't need it. Here's the propane switch for the water heater. There's your main lights. There's some more lights inside, awning lights. This will do the power awning, extend and retract. There's your table / bed. Got the ramp room on the back, that's easy, and then there's a roll down screen. Some cool lights on it. To light the stove top and oven, you select the burner, so in this case we'll do the middle one. So push and hold it, and as you're holding it in, you rotate the igniter and that'll light that burner. Same thing with the oven, push and hold with one hand, and while you're holding it, rotate that with the other, and that'll light the oven. Refrigerator runs off the solar panel and the battery. It's a huge refrigerator. This is where your TV goes, and there's your antenna hookup. There's also a booster button. You want to have the booster button on if you're using local rabbit ears or the local antenna that's on the roof, and you can program your channels. If you have cable hooked up to the outside, then turn it off, and then you do a scan through the cable part of the TV. Here's your heating and cooling. Fan low, fan high, Cool high and cool low is just continuous run on the AC. If you have it on auto, then it's thermostat set. And then this is your furnace here. So the one button will get you to all your modes, and this is your temperature. There's your bathroom. Foot pedal flush on the toilet. Step on it, it'll break the waste down, and then you drop your chemicals right down in there. There's a ground fault. If you lose power to the outlets, check your ground fault. Nice big shower. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, of course, you can call me anytime. Thanks again.